Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the hassle? The Scosche Car Stereo Dash Kit lets you install a new aftermarket stereo right in your factory location, ensuring a seamless, professional look every time. It's precision engineered to fit perfectly with no gaps between your dash and the kit, so your upgrade looks factory installed. What sets this dash kit apart is its attention to detail. The color and texture match your vehicle's original dash, blending in naturally. Made from high-quality automotive-grade ABS, it's built to last and withstand everyday wear and tear. You get durability without compromising on style. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly. No special tools are needed, and the kit comes with clear, step-by-step instructions that guide you through the process. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just want a quick, clean install, this kit makes the job easier and faster. Scosche brings over 40 years of experience in automotive accessories, from wiring harnesses to amplifier kits. Their products meet strict quality standards because they understand how important your vehicle is to you. When you choose Scosche, you're choosing reliability backed by decades of expertise. What really makes this product stand out is Scosche's lifetime tech support. You're never left on your own after purchase. Their knowledgeable team is ready to answer any questions for as long as you own the kit. Plus, the limited lifetime warranty guarantees your investment is protected. Customers across the United States praise this dash kit for its perfect fit and quality. For example, owners of the 2004 Hyundai Sonata report flawless installation and a professional finish. This kit fits like it was made for your car because it was. If you're considering an upgrade, this Scosche dash kit is worth a look. It combines quality materials, precise design, and ongoing support to make your car stereo installation smooth and worry-free. You get a clean, factory-like appearance without the dealership price. Ready to enhance your driving experience with a reliable, well-crafted dash kit? Try the Scosche Car Stereo Dash Kit when you're ready and enjoy a seamless upgrade backed by lifetime confidence.